Guys, welcome to Hardest Info channel. Today I have DOOGEE DK10 and I want to show you how to add remove magnification to this device. To do that, open Settings application, where we look for our special function selection, where we scroll down and tap on Accessibility button. In it, we tap on magnification and we must turn on our shortcut magnification by switch on, confirm by OK, and we have it. To zoom our screen, we press on our shortcut and tap on screen. We can easily change position of our zoom using two fingers and swiping on the screen. When we use only one, we can only go up and down. We can also zoom on zoom out by these features. To turn off it, we press again on our magnification shortcut. That's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.